Well, thank you for joining me today. Today we will do the mission Spoils of War, which is the last mission of the sub-campaign of the neutral faction. And we will need, just like in the Devils and Dungeons mission, we need to choose the team that we want to complete the scenario with. So what we need to do is capture all the towns and castle and defeat all enemy heroes. Regardless of which side you choose, the other will forever consider you a traitor. Okay, so if I remember correctly, I think my fortress heroes were better. But I think I prefer playing Fortress because I like to get wyverns in the first two turns, and at the same time, I cannot decide. I had fun and I leveled both them up. This time with the fact that I had to choose at the last mission. Considering that we see there is swamp terrain here, I will go with Fortress. We receive a message from King Tralosk. I'm pleased that you've chosen to side with us. Your knowledge of how those stupid barbarians fight will give you an advantage. Though it's very likely that Duke Boragus has put a price on your head for being a traitor. Okay. Yes. This will be a fight to the finish. Fight to the finish? Fight to the death, maybe? We wish to extend our border into Crevlod Hills, and they wish to stop us. A token Erathian force will likely get caught in the middle, but there is simply nothing we can or wish to do about it. Do well, and it shall be idolized by all Tatalia. Fail, well, we don't need to discuss this just yet. The letter is simply stamped with the scaly insignia of House Tralosk. Okay. Ooh. So we are pretty much trapped here. And we need to... Yeah, so we need to develop our towns. We have 3 towns. We have all the heroes that we needed. And I think we start with the towns. So what we got here? Start with lots of resources, so... okay. Let's get town hall done. Those lesser towns, yes. Our scout heroes can do anything because they have the wrong type of units, but it's fine. Okay, Kormak. Gerwolf. Need lots of wood, so Kerwolf is really a hero. Yeah, really high level hero. He's also beastly. Look at this. Okay. Alkin is not that good, yeah. Finding, never mind. Rissa is really bad. I won't waste my time picking the stuff up. Precision, again. Lack of serpent flies. I think I can do something about this. Fuck. Wow, I have 100 spell points. Let's wait. Actually, yeah, I was dumb. I was dumb. 6 damage, 10 to 16. Damn. Okay, delete. Fine, defend, attack. No, let's don't think about that. Perfect. Okay, no, Andra. Ah, okay. No, Andra should not do this. Okay, Braun. Khalid. Okay, Khalid will think about that. About going for the Orbit. Ooh, Ring of the Wayfarer. Pretty good. A Witch Shot. Okay, Rissa picks the stuff up. Position, not that interesting. Let's go here. Korbak doesn't have much. So, let's see. Korbak doesn't have really anything here. With this, lots of Njol Marauders is not really something you can do right now. Okay, but we used everyone. What am I missing? Korbak. Okay. Bomb. Let's go. Down there. Let's go next. Rissa, pick all the resources. Thank you. Yes. So maybe goes even there. Okay, this is not something feasible right now. Let's check here. Protection from air. Not good. So stone golems. I think I have enough. I think I have enough. Yikes. Okay, maybe not. Oh shit. Wait. Ah, I didn't buy the dingo. Well. Got fast. let's just don't waste more time. So 3 and move on with our life. With our life. Check what's here. Decent. Let's check this. Basic of facts. Bad at all. Warrior's Tomb. Nice. God damn it. Okay, then I need. Ah, wait. It's a totally different zone. Hermit Cove. Therefore, werewolf get to Hermit Cove immediately. Okay. I think I have. No, I don't have. Don't have those. Some. Man. She doesn't have any movement points because she has tower. She has tower units. This is let's Alkin, can you move? Okay, thanks. Learn Earth Magic. Yes. Okay, there is a one way. Let's get the fort everywhere. God damn it. Okay. Oh, I guess I got the marketplace then. I cannot do anything with this hero yet. So Gnoll Marauders. Do I have spells? Yes. I think I can do something about this. Dracon. Actually, Dracon is perfect for this. In is just a scout hero, so let's give the rest to Andra. Missing. It's a pretty good one. Werewolf will get that, I think. Let's get also Braun back before I forget. Crater basilisks. This will be done by Braun, so doesn't matter to me. This will be pretty tough, but I think I can win. Yeah. 80 points of damage. Okay. Yes. No morale, thanks. Or come on. 52. Six to 10. Okay, yeah, I'm safe. Perfect. Perfect. Wow, it's a pretty good start here. I should let Dracon do this job here. Yes, I should totally let Dracon do this job. Korva then goes here. Hey, maybe a marketplace? Now let's get more economy. Blacksmith. Yeah, I need this sulfur dune. I think I'm going for this first. Then going top. Maybe I won't even bother with this because this is protected by Njal, so should not be something really worthwhile. Actually, let's check with Braun. Okay, yeah, it's just the money. And I think this is a pouch of infinite money or whatever. And yeah. Andra is okay with that. Actually, Khalid. Nice. Let's get this going. Yes. Accept. Ring of the Wayfarer is pretty good. Yes, compute plus combat speed. Check this WeChat. This guy's cracked. Okay. I need to go to the WeChat that teaches art magic. Ah, wait, I already got it. Okay. Maybe we'll go to the one that teaches offense. No, okay, she got it too. I mean, Andra is also insane too. Yeah, love it. Let's get more troops. You kidding me? I don't have any marketplace right now. Okay, no, I just have one. Oh my god. No, okay, next turn. So stone golems though. Actually, I don't have really good spells, to be honest. Haste, cure. Bless, maybe. Yeah, this is needed to be killed. Let's do this. I don't believe. Okay. I didn't believe 1 second that I was losing this again. Right. So what we got here? 80 points of damage. Really nothing that good. Let's wait one more turn. Ah, damn it. Five. We die. Okay, I have below average probability to kill one of these guys. Let's see. Who cares? Okay, okay. Yeah, I already got the retaliation, so. Let's try to wait. Okay, yeah. Thank you. Thank you very much. Corbuck. Isn't there nothing going on? Okay. That's I will do you a favor here. Corniols. Yay. Okay. I need marketplaces, dude. Okay, next turn I will buy all the marketplaces in the world. Shit. Wait, what? Oh man, this sucks. I forgot. I forgot to buy marketplaces. Now my rates are completely cooked. I need it. Okay, fine. Fine. Yeah. There you go. Yeah. Okay. Missing here. Additional wood and ore. At this point. Yeah, sure. Wrong. Ord. How am I supposed to kill those? Okay. Maybe wait here a few days. This guy too. I don't think it's even worth it. It's like 14 yalls additionally. Andra, like this. Yes. Corback, wait. So we basically got everything we had in available in this zone. So let's keep going down here. Learn offense. E deve spaccarti la faccia. Magari da tagliare quello. Questo. Okay, let's see what we need to do here. So, I need to go through this somehow. And what am I missing? I mean, yeah. Yes. Fucking weights. Ah, no, okay, Alkin doesn't wait. He needs to tell me what's that. More power, thanks. Ebron. Orbak, the Beastmaster. Okay, this is a library of enlightenment there. Okay, she waits there. Probably wait here with this guy. It's by one. We risk it. I mean, I have every good skill possible. I'm going to learn offense, I'm done. Yeah. So, yeah, go learn offense. Bron. Don't know what to do with this guy. School of War. I guess. Yeah, let's go for this. Lisa waits, this guy waits, Dracon. This guy waits too. Maybe not. Let's check what's maybe that's a state. So we have no wood. No actual wood. Somehow. Let's try to get more. Ah, man. Okay. Need wood badly. Probably a silo at this point is not even a bad idea. I even have one here. What can I buy? I need a fort here. Okay, this is week 3. Checks. Lack of rates. I don't know why I did that. And you die. Need to use a bad hero to pick the warrior's tomb. Okay, maybe this guy. Dragon. Yes, Dragon. At least a guy that I didn't invest much in. Let's get rid of those. Okay. Nice. Because Buck right now is not doing. I invested so much in him though. I don't want to waste. To go to waste. I really need a source silo at this point. I mean, and not seeing any good anywhere. So. This girl, Lisa, gets things, serpent flies. What's the situation here? Bron doesn't have a spellbook. Let's get him a spellbook then. Let's give him fence. Lead. What can he do? Bring troops to the front, I guess. Imran needs to recharge Hermano. Okay. Let's check here. Archery. That's fine. Arkin goes here. Korbak can get themselves out, I think. And Andra recharge Hermana here. Again, Hermana. Rissa, Speedy. Missing something. Okay, yeah, I'm dumb because I could trade away these resources I don't need and get the fort. Need sulfur, but yeah, don't care. Okay, fort. I need 9 stone. Okay, let's get 9 stone then. Okay. Let's get everything going. Turn off fence. Buy a spell book. If I forget. Run. Khalid, you need to do. Careful. Werewolf is a beast. I think Khalid can pick the tomb. Warrior's tomb. Okay, she waits here. Dragon will give the troops to Andra and will try to break in next turn. Hopefully with success. Okay. Gerwolf can help out Andra, I think. Wait, Khalid has troops that needs. Okay, I will go with Rissa then. Khalid, go give Andra your troops. Rissa will get to the warrior's tomb. Tomb. It's right here. Run. Alkin doesn't have anything to do. Warback, do you have something? No. Let's wait here for now. Dragon gives troops to Andra. Let's get him back to the zone. Gerwolf will accompany Andra, so let him wait here. we got? We now upgraded the wolf. Now upgraded the lizard. Serpent types. Now let's get an upgraded lizard, man. Beastly. Okay, let's go through. I think we got it. I think we got it. Do we got it? I have blasts. I have things. I have things to build. I think I can do this. Fucking hell. What? Holy shit. Okay, 100 damage. This is... I can one-shot this, no? No, wait. This is... 50 by 5 is 250. It's not. This is nothing. But this is a lot. Actually, so let's wait. Morale, thanks. Many thanks. Reach, huh? Yeah. Of course. So we just kill one. Oh man, I don't have... I have haste. Shield this guy. Let's protect this guy. Next turn will suck. Yeah, this is a nice play by the computer. Oh, yeah, I have... yeah, right. Okay. 300 damage. I don't know why I moved with my Viper. I misclicked. Okay. think I can do anything with this wyvern. Maybe drag the retaliation, but I think I can one-shot with my gnolls, so I think I save it. Let's wait. That's it? Yeah, like expected. Let's weaken these guys. No way, messed up. 400 damage. Ah. Oh god. Wait, what the hell? Oh yeah, he's retreating for sure. They're my display of power. Look at this guy. Pathetic. I'm coming for you. Me? I should have aced my gnolls. Okay. Yes. Tough fight, but we got through. Okay, we'll get this library next. And then what? Let's get this guy in here to deliver new troops when needed. Oh, are you kidding me? Let's go like this, I think. Just level up so it doesn't matter. Now we are gaming. What? Paco Arch Magi being there like that? Your wolf. Actually, let's give... no. Take one stack. Please pillage the tomb. It's bad. Okay. And that of holiness is pretty bad. Immune to curse. That's... It's an item of all time. I need more. I need more. Please. For good. I'm starving for good. You're not. 10 good. Oh my god. Literally starving for good. Okay, so I think I'm out for today. I need to go to things, and I think it's a good place to stop right now. And so we managed to break out. We start setting up our strategy. I mean, we need to build out our cities, but there is no wood and ore anywhere. And yeah, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.